BeCozi.net is here. Welcome to our channel. So today I am showing you how to make this beautiful patriotic pillow. We will be using beautiful American flag colors, and it will be royal blue, white, and cranberry red. And the pillow will have two sides. On one side it will be blue in the middle and then white and then red stripes, and on another side it will be blue and red. So whichever side you like better, you can use that side. And for inside we will be using this pillow insert. They're available on our website too in the accessories section. And this is our yarn that we will be using. Beautiful, beautiful colors. We just received new stock, so all colors in stock. So go get some beautiful yarn and make a patriotic pillow. I also have a video showing how to make American flag blanket. It's on our website. I will put a link underneath. You can click on it and you can get a video showing you how to do it. Let's get started.
Okay guys, let's get started. So we will be making this beautiful pillow. As I showed you, it has two sides. One side was blue in the middle and white, and then red and white stripes. And on another, just for the difference, we will have blue in the middle and then red and white. So it's a really beautiful, cute pillow. So let's get started. So we'll need the pillow insert, and you can find it on BeCozi.net accessory section. And we are studying, we have cranberry red, white, and royal blue, and we are studying with royal blue. So let's place the yarn in front of us like that. This is the tail, this is working yarn, and I will burn the end of the yarn to prevent it from unraveling, and then I will leave about 10 inches tail, and then working yarn goes on the top of the tail like that. Insert your hand, grab working yarn, pull it out. Here you are. So this is our first stitch, and now we are making it a little bit smaller by pulling working yarn down. And now we are casting on 14 stitches, guys. For casting on, you're inserting your hand in this first stitch, grab working yarn and pull it out. So we have 2 stitches now, and now we're making a third stitch. I will press the bottom of this last stitch, insert your hand, grab working yarn and pull it out. So if you notice, I'm trying to make all stitches about the same size because that will look beautiful on the finished project. And now we are simply creating a chain of 14 stitches or casting on 14 stitches. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we go. So we have 14 stitches, and now we are turning this on another side, and then we are creating a circle, and then this tail goes inside this last stitch, not this stitch but this stitch, from inside out. Here we are. So what are we doing now? We are knitting this middle part of the stitches, guys. So I am lifting it with my fingers, grabbing working yarn and pulling it through this stitch. So this is our first stitch. Now find this bottom, find this stitch part, middle part of the stitch, not the bottom, not the top, middle one. Then you can lift it with your left hand, and then right hand goes inside, grab working yarn and pull it out. And then keep doing the same way until you pull out all stitches and created first row of our beautiful royal blue. or we also call it Duke blue color. So we're knitting all 14 stitches. Here you go. Over here, we almost reached the end. So here is our 2 stitches. So we're knitting this stitch, and for this stitch you can either knit it as is, or you see that there is like a bump over here. So I'm usually taking out the stitch, and then you have stitch here and yarn here. So yarn goes inside, and this way we made the stitch with no yarn over. So now we are switching to the white color, and in this project I will be actually cutting the yarn and connecting the yarn by burning. Here we are. So I'm burning the left yarn, and then when you see the fire here, right one comes right on the top of it, and then you hold them together, kind of pushing toward each other for a few seconds until it's not hot, and then you can try to rub them together. But make sure that you waited for a few seconds, because it's really hot there in the middle. You can burn your fingers. Okay, so then when you rub it with each other, you kind of connect it. Now you can pull. You can see that it's connected nicely. And now we are knitting 2 rows of white color, guys. So the same simple knitting stitch, insert your fingers, grab working yarn and pull it out. And then after 2 rows of white, we will switch to red, cranberry red. We have another red color available, guys. It's candy cane red. It's really bright. But for this project and for blanket looking like American flag, I always use cranberry red, because it's more color of the American flag than candy cane. But you can try both red, bright red colors. So here we are. We can actually keep making the next row, and then when we're done, we can start a red color. And I forgot to tell you, so here we have our marker. This is the tail where we connected the yarn, and this marker is showing where we are starting or finishing our row. So this is our second row of white. See the yarn? This yarn shows us that we are done with the second row of white. So now we are cutting our white, and we are moving to our red color. And before I will start connecting it, that's where I will fold this yarn in two, like that. So it will be more convenient to knit. The tail is still here, shows where the row starts. And now we are connecting yarn. And this is one of the ways to connect yarn, guys. One is a simple knot. I'm usually doing simple knot when I'm making simple knitting patterns. And I'm just showing you this way of connecting, because a lot of people like connecting yarn with burning, and it's kind of your personal preference. So here we are, connected it, and now we will keep knitting. So now we're knitting 2 rows of cranberry red. That's pretty much it. We will be just knitting, alternating these 3 colors to make this beautiful patriotic pillow, round pillow. It's a perfect gift for anybody you know this July 4th, or for yourself. And let me show you. So that's where we started. See, this is blue and white. And before I go, I will show you how to connect this bottom. Then I will keep knitting and come back and show you how to finish the pillow. So here we are. This is the bottom of the pillow. This is the bottom, the same as over here. So you're taking this tail that we left about 8 inches, 10 inches, and then you're going with this tail inside every of the stitches, this side of the stitch, not this side, this outside side. So from inside out, take the stitch, insert your yarn, and pull it through. And then next stitch, and then you will be doing the same to all stitches until you have them all connected. And you can connect the bottom any time, like I'm connecting now, or you can connect it when you are done with the whole length of the pillow. So here we are, and pulling, connecting the yarn. Then make sure to insert it in all stitches, and then we will insert it in 2 more, and this way it will be connected nicely in a beautiful flower-like top. Okay, so here we are. So here, this is, you can see that there is more blue on this side than here. I made it on purpose because this way you can kind of decide which way you like better. You can have more or less of it or more of it. Okay, so what we're doing now, now we again folding our yarn or our project like that, and then we will be knitting red lines, 1 2 3, 3 red lines, and then alternating with white, 2 white, 2 red, 2 white, 2 red, and you will need to have 3 red. And then I will come back and I will show you what to do next. Okay, guys, so here we are. We have 3 rows of red color, and I cut it already, and now I will be connecting the blue one. So again, I will start burning the left one and then attach the red one, and then push it toward each other for a little bit and wait, and then start rubbing them together like that. Okay, here we go. So now we're making just 1 row of blue, and then we will finish it. Okay, so here we are. Isn't it beautiful? It's beautiful. 3 colors make us feel festive. So here we go, 1 row, and then we will cut the yarn, and we will leave about 12-15 inches, and I will actually burn the end of it to prevent unraveling. And now what we'll do, I will put this pillow insert inside. Again, pillow insert available on our website, guys. It's very reasonable, unlike any other places, and we always have them in stock. And now we will start inserting this tail inside all of these blue stitches from inside out, the same way we did on the bottom. Here we go. Then when we insert it all in all stitches, we will pull and connect the top of this beautiful pillow. So if you want to be less of blue on the bottom, then you will need to start, you will just need to have 1 row of blue, just basically the one where you're casting on, and then start with the red immediately. So here we are, we connected it. And now I'm usually going underneath, and then this loop, the yarn goes inside the loop, and then pull the yarn and you connected it, and then put the end inside like that. And then just spread it nicely. And here we are. A beautiful pillow is ready. So this is the one side, and then the other side is here. It has more blue and white. So they look different, but they both look very beautiful. So beautiful pillows, guys, and you can try and make it with our beautiful yarn. Festive July 4th pillow. And yarn is at BeCozi.net. Stay warm and BeCozi.
Hey guys, Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. I would like to introduce my hand knitting book. The book was published in September 21, and recently it was also published with the Christian Publishing Agency. It's available on our website and also available on Amazon. This is the only book on hand knitting on the craft market. It's extremely unique and very beautiful book explaining hand knitting, giving you history of our company, how hand knitting was born, and then it also gives you a few patterns, simple patterns with a very detailed pictures how to make every single step on the way. Go to the link underneath this video and purchase this book, and let's hand knit.